Weather makes you lazy, especially when it's hot and hazy, and you gotta lay down a while. Find a big magnolia, sprawl out in the clover. Now you got that natural Cajun style,
and you ain't gotta worry none. You can just lay back, son. It's mostly just according to the way you feel when you're down in Louisiana.
You won't believe it in the springtime. Good times and bad, it's the best you ever had, y'all. And I pray God bless this state of mine. Oh, going back down to Louisiana. We'll catch a mud bug and you cook him in a cup in the springtime when the water's high. You can catch a tan on the Amy River sand. Uncle Sonny take us for a ride,
and you ain't gotta worry none. You can just lay back, son. It's mostly just according to the way you feel when you're down in Louisiana.
Oh, won't you help us sing the thing, y'all? Louisiana. You won't believe it in the springtime. Good times and bad, it's the best we ever had, y'all. And I pray God bless this state of mine. Whoa, I'm going back down to Louisiana. Oh, son, I can't wait to get my big, fat, lazy behind propped up under a big magnolia tree, sucking on crawfish heads and being free. Yes, sir.